In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Slack, helping you reduce email overload in a few simple steps. If you're like many of us who get bombarded with emails every day, finding ways to cut down that influx can be a real relief and make your workday much more efficient. So, let's dive into how you can modify your Slack settings to manage your email notifications effectively. Start by launching the Slack desktop app or opening Slack in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into the specific workspace where you need to adjust your settings. Once you're inside Slack, the next step is to navigate to your profile settings. You can do this easily by clicking on your profile picture located conveniently at the top right corner of the screen. This opens up a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences menu, you're set to tailor your notification settings the way you like. Inside the Preferences menu, look for the section titled Notifications. This area will allow you to manage various types of notifications stemming from your Slack workspace. Scroll through this section until you come across the Email Notifications segment. This is where you can make some helpful changes. In the Email Notifications area, you'll see a series of options that dictate when Slack will send you emails. These options typically include choices like receiving notifications for mentions and direct messages or updates about activity in threads you're following. However, if your goal is to eliminate these emails completely, there's a straightforward solution. Choose the option Never Send Me Email Notifications. By selecting this, you ensure that Slack will stop sending you emails, thereby helping to control the constant flood into your inbox. In most cases, Slack will automatically save any adjustments you make, but it's always a good practice to double check. Look around the page for any Save Changes buttons that might need a click to finalize your new settings. Keeping an eye out can safeguard against any unintentional resets or loss of configurations you've just applied. By following these steps, you'll successfully block those disruptive email notifications from Slack, allowing you to focus more on your top priorities rather than getting bogged down in an avalanche of emails. Remember, managing your notification settings is not just about preventing potential distractions, it's also about creating a smoother workflow that suits your working style. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps streamline your digital communications.